And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I'm going to guess that that is a 12 or 14 inch round canvas. And this, for here, yes, I'm standing on my stool showing you, I'm going to use all of those colors if I can. And I'm going to use the black satin gloss. Excuse me, I keep saying satin and I'm wrong. The Folk-Art black gloss enamel is what made the most beautiful swipe for me yesterday. So, being that I have this little tiny canvas, and I love the way the gold looked, and this is a damp cotton swipe rag that I have just cut off and I'm folding over, and I'm going to hopefully pull around in a circle. I've cut it off for that. I'll need some more t-shirts soon. But in the meantime, I kind of figure if all I do is add some colors that I like and start with mostly gold, I can't go wrong. So that's my plan, and I'm hopefully going to stick to it. It does not matter to me that much where things are going to go right now, because I don't know how this is going to work until I try it once. And I think because of the way the black, I need to leave a place for the black satin enamel. So right here is where I'm going to do that. Let's see if I can remember that right now. And I don't want an overabundance because I really don't think it's necessary. As a matter of fact, I kind of suspect that the reason why I did what I did work so well was because I didn't have a humongous excess of the swipe color. But we'll see. So I may not use all my colors, but I'm definitely going to continue on starting with what I've got and picking colors from those colors. Yeah, I'm just making noise with my lips. Sorry. Trying to fill some dead air. I think maybe I better think about this. Do I want some? Yeah, I do. It's like, is turquoise a good idea? Maybe. I kind of think some blue in the center might be good. Now, I used to always use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas, like these, to smooth things out. Or my OXO omelet turning spatulas, both available on the Amazon link underneath, show more underneath the video. Now, sometimes the weirdest color combinations make the best pop. So I'm just going to give myself permission to fill in wherever I feel like it with something that makes me happy. And I want some purple in there too. And yeah, it looks like it's going to be a little darker on the inside. Looks like I have almost enough paint. I got my fingers crossed for this. I have no idea at all how I'm going to do this. I kind of want, yes, this sells naturally anyway. That'll be nice. I need something else bright in the center there. I can see that. You can see I'm not making absolutely the same pattern anywhere, because when I laid out my last magnificent sexy swipe, I changed things just a tad, just enough. Oh no, that makes me want some blue. And I have some. Cool. I might still get all my colors in there, you know? I need some oranges or some reds or some purples or something in the middle though. Where I put this purple, I always need white though. So let's do that. Let's find some white, because I really haven't tried anywhere. And everywhere I put the white, I'm going to put some of that purple. Maybe. Can't trust me. I changed my mind. So that's pretty slick. I like that already. I could just stop now. You know how that goes. Floetrol excesses. I've got another color that I want. And it's over here. I'm going to put some of it, whoops. Yep. I'm bound to get some green out of this. no matter what. Yeah, somebody's going, you never put the purple down. I know. I remember now. And I'm putting it in more places than I put white also. It will dry burgundy without the white nearby. And I'm hoping to spin my turntable. I have no idea how this is going to go. This may not work at all. I know I'm going to have a lot of extra paint by the time I get to the center. And I'm really tempted to go and add a little more as I go along, just because, hey, because I can is the name of my first book on the Amazon link. Below show more. So that might be more than I want, but here goes nothing. Let's get that out. I'm nervous again. And I am going to dip in the hem. I'm going to push it out toward the edge and start to pull it around. Can I do it one-handed? It would be really convenient if I could do it one-handed. What am I going to do when I get to the next spot? I'm going to fold it back and notice that I have too much paint. But I guess I'll learn to live with it because I can. Now, I suppose there's stuff I could do, but I'm not thinking in that mode yet. I definitely could put a basting brush in there. Quick before all the cells. There, I got something a little more even. I would like some of that paint to go over the sides, and I guess really the only way that that's going to happen is if I add it with my rag. I'm not hating on that at all, and I am going to torch it. First, I'm going to move this over to the edge and use the paint that I've got on my rag and space it out incrementally so I have a chance to use as much of it as possible. There's all kinds of stuff I'd love to do with this, but this is an experiment and I'm not disliking it. And when I get this rag tapped off as best I can on the edges, then I will go ahead and use my fingers also and join the little areas. I got a little more. I need some paint. And I'm not beyond stealing it with my basting brush. I definitely want to torch. My edges are pretty well covered. I'm super stoked that they're covered. Well, mostly covered. Because these round canvases have little pleats in the side. Trying to cover them. I would like to get to the torching. It's cold out here right now. I was busy going and finding a solution to my corrupted hard drive. Really have some great colors in there. And the patterns aren't too bad either. Let's see what happens. do believe the paint will heal itself. So I am taking liberties. Yes, I'm running my torch while I'm still skewering. Excuse me, spatulaing. I think more turquoise next time would be helpful. It just makes me want to see what will happen if I play a little bit, because I can. Where's that basting brush? That's not hurting my feelings any. I've got a really pretty pink. If I knew where it was, that would be even better. There's one. And it's plugged. And the other one is open. So let's grab that one. Oh, perfect. I love that color. Let's grab something like a little bit of that purple. Yeah, that's fun. Maybe a little white. I think so. Now that could have been the Anita's white. What else do I want in there? And I want to be careful about what I choose. What have I got? On that basting brush can go away now. There! That's kind of cool, actually. I like it. What else have I got? I got green. I want something else with that green. Blue. Turquoise. And as much as I like this pale purple, it doesn't work here for me. And I love, love, love this. It's a magenta, but it's got golden iridescent pearl fine in it. I know. I'm pretty sure, anyway. So what else do I want to do? Do I want to just keep adding my favorite color in there? Because I'm inclined. Why not do what you're inclined to do? Just using that basting brush. Kind of want some black again. Can I do that? I can. Because there's no one stopping me. Unlimited Possibilities is the name of my second book on the Amazon link. I like the black with the white. So I'm going to do that. And I am using not regular black, but the satin enamel black. And I see that green and it occurs to me that I love that turquoise there, but where's the turquoise I really want? There it is. The patterns are fabulous. But it's not hurting anything what I'm doing either. I think I need to put some white somewhere else, and my timer is telling me that I have not set it And so I'm going to tell you guys, if you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. If you give me a thumbs up, it costs you nothing and it helps me out. If you watch the video longer, it helps me out a lot. It might cost you a little time. So I'm going to put those evenly spaced, I think. That's where they should be. Because I like them that way. It's an experiment, what can I say? It's a neat one too, though. Let's see what else I want. Doesn't seem to hurt anything anytime I drag that basting brush through. It just drags the little dots of paint. I want to put some gold in there. And the only thing I'm thinking is maybe I just didn't put enough orange in. So I'll just do that very cautiously because it's coming out really too fast. And then if I like it, I'll add more. I just want some balance. Oh, really fast. I'm almost there. I can tell. I'm getting really close. Maybe you don't trust me. I understand. Just the tips. There goes a bottle, and it's the orange. Let's put it down on the side. There, that's actually getting much closer. And you guys are probably gone, so check out any other video for stuff I forgot to tell you, and check on my channel for playlists. I love you guys. There's almost 85,000 of you. There might actually be 85,000 of you sooner than later. I really want some blue in that center, and maybe someplace else. I like the way everything is melding. I like the way the little hearts just appear just from dragging a basting brush through. So, is there anything else? Do I need some more white? Kind of seems like it to me. You guys are gone, or you're going to be gone very soon. That'll teach me for not checking my timer.